All right, so here's why I traded ticker SIDU today. I traded SIDU not too long ago, but I played it again today. So I had these two levels marked. This is a strong level around $4 because it's holding this level. The candles can't break past it. Then when they do break past it, it can't get back above. And then it's obeying here, and you can see holding a lot of times here and here as well. So 4 is a very strong area. And then also 440 is a very strong area as it's hitting the end of candlesticks here, running through the bodies, holding the end of the candlesticks here, the candle wicks here as well, rejecting here. So 440 is also a strong level. So what am I seeing on the 5 minute? I'm seeing around 9 o'clock this spiked. And I missed this spike. I hardly catch the original move. I just play the continuations after. And so I don't chase. I wait for it to pull back. And I'm looking to get, these are the two levels on a closer time frame, the $4 and the 440 that I marked. So I'm waiting for a pullback to around 440 a share for a bounce. And that is what it did. I got in around 9:43 a.m. So let's go to close time frame so you can see exactly where I got in. So here's the run at 9. All this chop back and forth, pull back. And now we're getting close to around my area of 440 where I wanted to dip by. But I didn't dip by yet because the volume's still decreasing. I'm waiting for volume to start increasing where it does right here around 9:43. So, see that? 9:43 is where the volume starts to increase and the move up happens. Scrolled in too far. I don't want to confuse you guys. So yeah, this is the 9 o'clock move, the pullback. This is my area where I wanted to buy, but I didn't buy yet because look, the volume's still weak. It starts to pick up around 9:43. I noticed the volume price action is coming in. So I got in around 9:43 at, around 457 a share. This pushed up. I sold around, I got in around, 456 a share, and I sold around, 478 a share, 480 a share, or whatever. Just a quick scalp. And I was not holding through all this chop up and back and forth because the volume started fading, so I don't know what's going to happen next. And yeah, I went to 504, but I don't care. I caught the strong part of the move. I got paid. I got my paycheck. I locked in the profits, and the profits are mine. I'm not risking because this. You got to think like you don't know it's going to go to 504 after it could just come right back down and you lose all your gains. Eventually, it did come back down. So, and this is weak price action. Volume's fading. So, I locked in my profits. Quick scalp. I knew it was just going to be a quick scalp. I wasn't expecting much from this trade, so you got to know what kind of trade you have. The market's been weak. It's summer, so I lock in profits quicker in summer typically. And what do we see on the daily? Some resistance areas. It's going to be hard to break through this area and this area. So I knew I didn't have much expectations for it to run too much. And then on the gap stats, you can see it closes below open 25% of the time. So I like that. I don't want it to say it closes below open 100% of the time because then that's saying that the stock has a history of, falling after its runs. So I use gap stats. It's just one of the special indicators I use. So yeah, that is why I trade SIDU, guys. If you want to learn more, check out my course I have for sale. It's pretty expensive, but it's well worth your money. You're gonna lose. you're more likely gonna lose a lot of money trading without education, guys. Most people lose money in this industry, so don't trade without education. And please like and subscribe. Check out my platforms. I give a ton of free information. All right, guys, stay tuned for the next.